Ipsy stop sending me gold eyeshadow? Just the softest thing in the world. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First off, if you're wondering about my eye look, I will have a video posted about that soon. I don't think it's going to be up when you're seeing this video, but as soon as it's up, I will link it in the description box, so if you're watching this after the release date, it might be on there. So as some of you know, I was subscribed to Ipsy maybe 2 years ago, and as most of you probably know if you've watched my channel, you know I was subscribed to Boxycharm. And I loved Boxycharm for a long time. When I was subscribed to Ipsy, it was 2 years ago. I didn't know much about makeup. I wore some makeup, but I really didn't know anything about my skin, about myself, about what I liked, about makeup. With Ipsy, it's very personalized. I mean, you fill out all this information about yourself, and they send you personalized products. So I really didn't know what to answer to any of those questions 2 years ago. And so everything I got in my Ipsy bags were just kind of didn't know how to use them, really didn't know anything about them, didn't even know if they were good for my skin or not. So then I subscribed to Boxycharm. And Boxycharm, though you do fill out some stuff, it's not very personalized. Everybody sort of gets the same thing with like variations of the same thing. Boxycharm was really good to help grow my makeup collection and to help me try new things that I never really would have tried before. But I found that I was getting so many things that I didn't ever use. Boxycharm almost made me, it had me like cluttering makeup. I mean, there was so much stuff I was getting in Boxycharm that I wasn't using because I felt like I had no use for it. $22 a month is such a great deal, but I was getting so many products I didn't even want, and products I was never going to use, and they're full-size products. So I unsubscribed from Boxycharm a while back, and I recently decided to resubscribe to Ipsy, and I went through and I changed a lot of answers. I have changed quite a bit in 2 years, and the main thing I saw on there was that I went from not familiar with makeup to basically send me whatever you got. Send me all the weird stuff. Like, I want to try it. So my first bag has come since my resubscription. This is the August Ipsy bag, and I'm so excited. First of all, I love the bag. It's just this really, I don't know, it's really pretty like forest green. Love it. The inside of it is hot pink. And something new with Ipsy is they actually have cards now that like have the products on them and like how to use them and stuff, and that's new. This did not used to be a thing. I'm so glad they started doing this. There's also another new feature which is so cool. They have add-ons. I actually found this out because I got the email talking about add-ons. So I went through and I looked at it, not knowing it was only available for 24 hours. But I did look at it, and I bought something that was an add-on because you can get travel-size products for only $3, or you can get full-size products for $10 to $12, I think is what it is. But you can add these things on, things that you picked out for yourself, and they'll be sent with your Ipsy Glam Bag, which I thought was so cool, because then you get the 5 products they send you, but you also could get something that you actually know you want. And I also like that I got to see what was in my bag. I did see what was in my bag before I got it in the mail because I really wanted to know. So I chose to do the add-on thing, and I am so excited because I got a travel size, which for those of you that don't know, I love travel size mascaras because I feel like I am never going to use enough of a mascara to get a full size. So for only $3, I got, I mean, it's a travel size, but I mean, it's pretty decent size. I got the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, which this mascara right here is Kathleen Lights' favorite mascara. It is a tubing mascara, so when you wipe it off with water or makeup remover, it tubes up and just kind of like falls right off. It's the weirdest thing. But this is the easiest to clean off mascara I have ever had in my life. Alright, so on to the actual bag. First of all, something that I had a problem with Ipsy before was I only had it for 3 months, okay? The last time I had it. This is only technically my 4th bag, and every month they would send me a gold eyeshadow. 3 months in a row, and now 4 months in a row they have sent me a gold eyeshadow. They have sent me the Suva Beauty eyeshadow in turmeric. You know, don't get me wrong, this is a very, very pretty eyeshadow, and the packaging is so cute, but I am not ever going to use this. I am going to put it into a future giveaway, but I'm never going to use this. Please, Ipsy, stop sending me gold eyeshadows. I don't know what it is, but they always send me gold eyeshadow. I got 2 skincare products. The first one is Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Now, I've already filmed this video before, but then I accidentally deleted it, and the first time I filmed it, I spilled this all over the floor, so I'm going to try not to do that today. It smells like cucumbers, and it kind of looks like cucumbers. You guys can see that it looks like cucumber water. But this, I have used this, and it's actually very good. It feels very nice and like cooling on my face, and I do like it a lot. It says this cream has 2 types of hyaluronic acid. Look, I said it. I said hyaluronic. Told ya. I just, keep calling it hydraulic. To help hydrate and plump your skin. It's papaya enzyme extract to exfoliate, brighten dark spots, and minimize hyperpigmentation. So I'm very excited to keep testing this out. I've only tried it once, but I liked it when I tried it, so I'm excited to keep trying it. Something I was a little concerned that they sent me is the Apto Skincare Balancing Mask with chlorella and green tea. Now, this is like the cutest little face mask packaging in the world. It's a green face mask and I love it. You can see a picture of me with this on my Instagram. But the thing I was concerned about is it says oily and combination skin. Now, Ipsy, I know for a fact that I hit that dry skin button, okay? I have dry skin. I do not have oily skin. So I was super concerned about this. This mask with antioxidant chlorella created for oily, acne-prone skin, which is not me, draws out dirt and impurities while reducing the appearance of pores, hydrating, and refreshing your complexion. So it says it hydrates, but it also clears up acne, which those two typically don't go together. But I did try this, and my skin felt so hydrated and soft afterwards. It was the weirdest thing. I don't know how this is for oily and combination skin, but yeah. And I also have been breaking out a lot lately, and after I use this, not saying this is what did it, because I've been working with my skin a lot lately, trying to figure out why I'm breaking out, but I haven't had too many bad breakouts after using this. Don't know if one has to do with the other, but maybe. Something I always really, really loved about Ipsy is I only had it for 3 months, okay? But I got a brush every single month. Now, I don't have a lot of makeup brushes. I know if someone were to see my makeup brush, they'd be like, oh, you have a lot. But it's like, not really, because I use the same ones all the time, and I constantly have to rewash them. If I do something like this, like, I'm gonna have to wash my brushes after this, because they've actually gone through 2 colorful eye looks, not just 1. That was something I always loved more about Ipsy than about Boxycharm, because Boxycharm got 2 sets of brushes, but I had it for almost a year. So brushes weren't always, on the high list for Boxycharm, but Ipsy, there was always a brush, and that I love. So this brush is the Vasanti Concealer Buffing Brush. It says, this synthetic brush will help give your under eye concealer a smooth airbrush-like finish. It's just the right size and shape for applying highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones too. Now, I could totally see this being a highlighter brush. First of all, this is like the coolest brush ever. It's very big and like weighty and like heavy, but it's also kind of like purple right here, and it is just the softest thing in the world. I made my sister feel it because it is just the softest brush I've ever felt, and I'm crazy about it. I used it as an eyeshadow brush, and I honestly loved it. I just used it to blend out my eyeshadow in my crease, and this makes a great crease brush, but I could see it being an amazing highlighter brush. I personally wouldn't use it for concealer, even though it says on it, concealer buffer, but that's just me. It's so soft, it probably would be amazing for concealer. I doubt it would leave any kind of streak marks because it's just the softest thing. The last thing I got in my bag, I'm excited about, but it stresses me out. It is the Ico I Do Liquid Eyeliner. This is a travel size. I think all of these are travel sizes, obviously, except for the eyeshadow and the brush. It says, an easy to hold pen, precisely shaped and sized tip, opaque but smudge free formula to help you ace your liner looks. Okay, I'm wearing this eyeliner today, and yes, I know, it does look good, okay? This eyeliner is great, and also I love what it says. It says, that's where I draw the line. I dropped it. It says, that's where I draw the line, and that's super, super cute. And it is a nice a nice felt tip liner. But this is so hard to work with, okay? I feel like every time I use it, it's actually getting harder to work with than easier, which doesn't make any sense at all. But it is. It's getting harder. I love this liner because it is so matte black, and I feel like it looks so, like, sexy. Like, I don't know. Okay, that sounded weird hearing me say that. But it does, okay? It looks so dang good. And I've used it every day since I got this bag. Like, every day I've done my makeup since I got this bag. And it's getting worse. I feel like it's getting so much harder to work with. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. So yeah, I can honestly say I am so happy with my Ipsy bag this month. And I'm happy I resubscribed. I know all of my Ipsy videos aren't going to be this in-depth, but I just want to tell you guys, you know, some of the differences between Ipsy and Boxycharm if you're, you know, thinking about switching to one, if you're thinking about getting one. You know, Boxycharm is not personalized, but it's a great way to start your makeup collection. Ipsy is more personalized when you really know what you actually want. So, I mean, I feel like Boxycharm's better for starters, and Ipsy's kind of better for people who have too big of a makeup collection and just need things that they actually are going to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think that is all I have for you guys today. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you want me to keep doing Ipsy bag reviews and unboxings, and I could even do try-ons from here on out if that's what you guys want. I would gladly do it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!